Let's see if I remember how to do this. Yeah, you already know it's that time again. It's that time again. Testing to see if sound is good. Why am I looking at head? Need to check if filming. Yes, goody. Goody, very goody. Very goody, very goody. Helmet tight, jacket tight, everything goody. Car moving slowly. Thank you. Whoa, very dangerous driving, my friend. Very dangerous. I did not do dangerous driving, I was safe. He's on a bike, he's going fast. Another bike. So many bikes out here. Why are there so many bikes? Give the bikes some space. A little bit one-hand riding here. Something light, some little light shit, yes, very good. Some cool echo sounds here. Echo. Hey. He was thinking he was a racing driver. Well, I got news for you, pal. You're not a racing driver. You're a wrecking man. However, I am not a racing man either. But I act like it sometimes. Because it's fun, you know, it's fun. I wonder if you can hear me, or if I'm speaking too low, if I'm loud enough, I should say. Because it's been a while since I did this. It's been a really long time. Yeah, basically. If you can hear the pop in the back. Boom, bang, boom, bang, bang. That's how it sounds, basically. Boom, bada bang, bada bing. What are you doing, sir? Now accelerate, hit the gas. Come on, man, hit the gas. I'm not gonna overtake here because it's a dangerous spot. But you need to hit the gas. Basically, this right here is not the speed limit. You're actually going way below the speed limit. Way below the speed limit. Too much below the speed limit. So much that if I got $1 for every kilometer an hour below the speed limit, I would have $22, which isn't a lot, but you know, it's something. But yeah, I can't take it anymore, man. I can't take it anymore. Risky place to go fast, but I do it anyway because you know, I'm kind of stupid. Keeping I like the colors, and I like it now. So brag about it. Ah, man, another guy driving on my road. tractor, look at the tractor, that's gotta be like a new tractor. At least it's been washed recently, because it was looking shiny. One time when I was riding here on my moped, right here there was standing a horse, a male horse, and I was like, why does that horse have 5 legs? And then a second later I realized, okay, that was not a leg. It wasn't that day that I found out where the term packing like a horse came from. You know, yeah, I knew that before, but it was the first time I've seen it in person. The smell of rain, wet roads. It smells pretty good. I don't like that it's wet, because that means it's scarier to ride, I should say. But I like the smell. You can like the smell of something that you don't like. This is evidence of that.